YouTube, back with the LSS10. I've got a few things done. Spark plug wires, got a pair of make your owns, made those up. I'm getting the exhaust together now. Dude, shout out to Exhaust Works again. This place is fucking awesome. Scooped up some fucking flow effects, Flowmaster things from Advanced Auto Parts. So I'm about to take all this junk home and start slapping the exhaust on the LSS10. Went to town today, got all this junk. So I'm gonna start throwing this together. It's all 2.5 inch. So the plan is, it's gonna go straight back and then out the side of the bed. You can hear all the leaks. I need to put the gaskets in and finish doing official welds. Everything's just tack welded. So freaking quiet. I have to finish welding the whole seam and then pop it down, put some gaskets on, rebolt it all the way up. This little fucking dog barking. Some of the stuff on the outside all cleaned up. Looks a lot better out here. I'm gonna start working on the inside a little bit. Clean some of this stuff up. Gonna change the steering wheel too. This looks like garbage. Mounting these toggles in the LSS10. I made some little brackets, self-tapped them, 4 screws. They're gonna go like this basically, and then those other 2 screws are gonna go in the back of there. So they're gonna be up like that. Alright, there's the little brackets on there, mounted up. I'm just gonna Zeus these right into the bottom of the dash. There it is on the dash. Easy to hit the buttons with the hand on the shifter. So that's cool. It's not center of the shifter, but it's center of the ashtray. And I wanted it to go over that center of the radio. So these are the seats I have for the S10. I have like a 2015 Ford something. But these are the junkers I'm gonna slap in it. Just some stock S10 seats from a Blazer. Just for now, just until after the event, and then I'll mess around with sticking those better seats in. But I'm just trying to get the seats done, that way I can mess around with the important stuff, not have to worry about that anymore. It just slaps right in there. Obviously in the original bolt holes. This is the Blazer I'm taking the seats from. And there's the new seats in, and they'll bolt it up. Gonna replace them with those other seats sometime after the event. And these things are super dirty, so I'm gonna vacuum them all up and then order some seat covers for these. Tube currently wiring up the alternator. Just slapped on this wire. It goes over, currently connected to the battery, but I'm gonna put it down to the starter. And then I clip the plug here, right there. This one's going to a resistor right there. It's a 1/2 watt 470 ohm resistor, gonna be on the end of this one, and then this one's going straight to the battery so it can read what the battery's doing, so the alternator can adjust voltage properly. Just slap that together with some solder right there. Gonna hook on another wire on the other side and then run that to a ignition on port. Alternator's all wired back up. The plug in right there, that fat part has the resistor in it, and it just runs back along these wires here, and then it's connected to a 12 volt on over there, and then it's connected to the power hub over there. Okay, gonna test it now. That's hooked up to the battery engine, not running. fire it up and see. Yeah, the exhaust is on. It's all nice and quiet now. I still have to finish running it and then cut a hole there, stick it out, whatever. Another day. As for now, oh yeah, alternator is working. Okay, that is the end of this one. We'll be back soon with some more junk. I'm about to pull it down and take the bed off now, so I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.